Mixy all the stuff here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel What a Foodie Girl. I am Disha and we are at Warsaw. Warsaw जैसा नाम सुनती हो ना, एक्टर, टीवी स्टार्स यही दिमाग में आता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, खाना यहाँ पे भाई मजेदार खाना है. मैं आपको मोमोज दिखाऊंगी, रामन दिखाऊंगी. आई विल शो यू सम वॉफल, सम बोबा. I mean, you are going to be going crazy on the streets of Warsaw, guys. So watch this video till the end to find out what Warsaw has to offer. The first place has to be momos because it's me. Me and momos have a different love for each other. I've tattooed a momo also here, if you can see. But we are here at the Darjeeling Lepcha momos and I've heard so much of them. इतनी सारी रील्स देखी है कि भाई मज़ा आ गया. आज तो खाना ही खाना है मुझे इनका. मोमोज से लेके देखते हैं और क्या क्या है ऑफर करने के लिए. नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दार्जिलिंग लेप्चा मोमोज. Okay, so here we have the steamed momos. इतना मस्त जूसी लग रहा है अंदर से. Now let's give this a try once. भाई ये चटनी मेयो देते हैं, बट मैंने मना कर दिया. चटनी is oh god, wow. Covering is a little thick for my liking, but the covering is not the covering is thick a little bit but it's soft, so इतना लगता नहीं आपको. कुछ है ना कड़क हो जाता है एंड पे, वैसा ये नहीं है. एंड फिलिंग थोड़ी सी कम है बट आई थिंक टेस्ट वाइज इट नेल्स इट. चिकन इज सॉफ्ट. These are the pan fried noodles. Oh wow, it looks like, I don't know, it looks really delicious. It looks yum. Oh wow, it's like desi chow mein. Well, मुंबई का स्ट्रीट फूड चाइनीज एंड दिल्ली वाला बहुत डिफरेंस रहता है. ऑल्सो इन दार्जिलिंग एंड ऑल इट्स कॉल्ड एज चाउमीन एंड इट टेस्ट एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस. इधर का जो पैन फ्राइड, वो जो लाइक burnt taste you're getting, right? It's really nice with the perfectly grilled veggies. And उन्होंने broccoli सब डाला है and they have garnished with some spring onions. Wow. It's time to try out boba on the streets of Warsaw. Oh, that sounded nice. Boba on the streets of Warsaw. Now he's going to be making some chocolate boba because पूरे मेन्यू में मुझे वो ऐसा लगा कि चॉकलेट चाहिए था बेसिकली मुझे. मैंने सोचा वो एक ले लेता है. लेट्स गिव दिस अ ट्राई. Burst of chocolate, full of chocolate, just chocolate. Even the boba that he has put has a popping boba which is of chocolate. Oh, this is crazy. It's sweet, it's silky because he added that cream, तो उसकी वजह से silky हो गया है. And it's like a milkshake but with boba poppings with it. So next place we have come to is Rongmit, the taste of Himalayas. Now they have got Vai and they have got Sidhu. What is Vai? What is Sidhu? I will explain it to you. They have got momos, which is very classic. They even have ramen, okay? but I am here for the Sidhu and laughing. Basically, laughing is a cold noodle dish from the Tibetan culture. It's like a Tibetan food which is like a proper noodle. इसको अगर आप ऐसे pieces में long cut करोगे ना तो ये noodle ही हो जाता है and it's served cold. इसके अंदर इन्होंने basically over there what they do is they add some chili paste, they add vinegar, they add soy and they mix it together. यहाँ पे शायद वो उन्होंने ना वो paste के अंदर ही सब कुछ डाल दिया है. So they mixed the chili paste and then they topped it off with Vai Vai. Now Vai Vai is basically noodles. बट इसको है ना कच्चा भी आप खा सकते हो. आई एम श्योर दैट यू माइट हैव हैड वाई वाई नूडल्स समटाइम इन योर लाइफ एंड आई थिंक वाई वाई नूडल्स इज यम नाउ. सो मैंने इनके पास वाई वाई लाफिंग था तो मैंने सोचा लेट्स गिव दिस अ ट्राई. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई दिस आउट. आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. मैंने लाफिंग दिल्ली में खाया है, उसके बाद इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम हैविंग लाफिंग एक्चुअली इन मुंबई और समवेयर अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिल्ली. Here's the crunch. So I feel it's a little salty. I feel that it's less spicy. But you know, chutney is here so you can use it. But the base of the laughing is, oh my god. इसको around 100-120 के बीच में रेंज करता है. ये पर्टिकुलर वाला 100 रुपीज़ का है. My god. मज़ा आ गया. Try the Vai Vai, हाँ. इनके पास चिकन वाला भी है. But try the Vai Vai one. Like it's crunchy. It's like a jelly type consistency. आपको ऐसा लगता है आपके मुंह में. It's spicy, it's crunchy, and that Vai Vai gives a nice saltiness. But मुझे ये थोड़ा over salty लगा, but it's okay. वो थोड़ा overall balance हो जाता है. First 3-4 बाइट में आपको saltiness लगे, but then it balances out the flavor in your mouth. You have to try this out. मतलब मैंने मुंबई में और कहीं नहीं देखा है. This is the place you have to come. So this is Sidhu. Sidhu is basically a Himalayan bread जिसके अंदर वो लोग stuffing करते हैं. Usual stuffing is of chicken. So हम लोग ने chicken ही लिया है. Serve with 2 type of chutney. One is the peanut and the momo chutney. Now let's give this a try. Okay, it's hot. Should use the fork. Stuffing is quite generous as you can see. Down. Okay, now let's give this a try with the The chicken is really good, but the overall Sidhu, no. This is not what I tried in Manali. It was like a bread. It was like, let me tell you, it was like bao. Bao in this type. Now this particular thing is like a momo in this type, like the Sidhu type. That's the difference. I'm attaching this picture small here so that you can see how the texture is of both of them. So this kind of is like a momo type का जो making है या the outer covering is resembles like a momo, but a Sidhu's outer covering actually has to be like a bread consistency. It should be soft like a bread. It should be like bao basically. It's like you're having bao but in a Sidhu form. I'm not saying this is bad, but for someone who has actually tried Sidhu, उनके लिए this is a little bit disappointing. Next place we have come to is Raman Bowl. I will highly suggest you please come before 8 o'clock क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे फिलहाल 7:15 को हूँ and this is the crowd that you can see behind. It's crazy and that man takes a while to prepare your food because अगर आप देख रहे हो ना वो प्यार से सारी चीज़ें बनाता है. एकदम प्यार से सारी आइटम डालता है, प्यार से एकदम अलग अलग ब्रॉथ बनाता है. The broth is not made and kept. He makes it on spot and then he strains it and he gives it to you. So थोड़ा time लग जाता है, but it's worth the wait. Let's check that out. I'm just waiting for my ramen to come. So here we have the spicy creamy bowl and इन्होंने जिस तरह से सजा के दिया है ना, my God, I am highly impressed. Now let's try the broth first before I mix this beautiful bowl. Oh wow. Damn, it's spicy and it's creamy. This ramen is going to be a hit. I don't know why. The smell, it smells umami. यार भाई मजा आ गया. ये मेरे को ना अभी damn. This is a hearty bowl of ramen, guys. Now let's try the noodles. Look at this, guys. They have got broccoli, they have got celery, they have got lettuce, they have got coriander, every single thing. Purple cabbage, सब सजा के दिया है. And this bowl is for around 199 rupees. भाई पैसे के मामले में दिस इज पैसा वसूल. अब टेस्ट देखते हैं कैसा है. मतलब मुझे ब्रॉथ तो बढ़िया ही लगा था. I mean पूरा गेम इज ऑन द ब्रॉथ, बट समटाइम्स इट्स ऑन द नूडल्स ऑल्सो. इफ द नूडल्स इज कच्चा एंड ऑल तो वो मज़ा नहीं आता. नाउ लेट्स गिव दिस अ ट्राई. ओ माय गॉड. भाई इस बंदे के पास जो लाइन लगी है ना, इट्स वर्थ द लाइन. I mean, wow, look at this, bro. The noodles are al dente. It's perfectly cooked. Strong coconut flavor. The first flavor that you feel is coconut, creamy, spicy. Basically, it's like khao soi का जो base रहता है ना, वैसा ही है ये. It's not mushy. And the noodles are thin noodles, हाँ. अगर आप noodles के strand देखोगे ना, it is quite thin. It's not very जाड़ा जैसा हमारा हक्का noodles type रहता है. And this broth is killer. It's basically khao soi का gravy along with noodles. मतलब ये आपके लिए khao soi type ही हो गया, Burmese khao soi. But this they call it ramen. But my God, guys, I urge you to travel wherever you are in Mumbai for this ramen bowl. 200 rupees, पैसा वसूल. Too good. रामन बोल के बाजू में वी आर हियर एट आरजी वॉफल्स. नाउ दिस इज फॉर 49 रुपीज. मस्त नटेला वगैरह डाला है. सो नाउ लेट्स गिव दिस अ ट्राई. Here's the crunch. One more bite. 49 rupees and you are craving for something Nutella. This is that you should get it. हाँ मैं बता रही हूँ, रामन खाओ, यहाँ पे आके वॉफल खाओ, गाड़ी में बैठो, घर जाओ. This has to be a staple way to come when you are here in Versova. It's not too sweet because batter में I don't think there's a lot of sugar, and the Nutella gives it a very nice thing. And the second thing is the waffle is crunchy. It has like a biscuit texture. That's the reason it pops out more. It's not just a soggy नहीं है. This is a black and white waffle. They have added a dark chocolate and a white chocolate to it. So now let's give this a try. Chocolate and it has like condensed milk type of flavor. But I will tell you to choose the Nutella one over this one anytime. If you're a Nutella person, और आप dark chocolate वाला भी ले सकते हो. Like must dark chocolate वगैरह डाल के. Thought that on the streets of Mumbai you will have to get your own chips bag, or you can buy it from here. Is this make your own chip bag? Basically this is an international concept जो मैंने देखा था, where you get the chip bags and he adds lots of sauces, chicken, your choice of meat, protein, कुछ जो भी चाहिए आपको सब उसके अंदर डाल के देता है. And it's supposed to be very nice. So now let's give this a try. I was very happy to see that this man also has chicken options. So एक बार try करते हैं. Okay, this is how it looks. It is nice, but it's a very weird concept. It is basically for all the Gen Z public who likes that chatter putter with a little bit of protein type. उसके लिए है. Not bad. This is for around 150 rupees. You want to try something different, try something unique, try something that is hatke and not there. That too on the streets of Warsaw. You can always give this a try. So guys, I hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you visit Warsaw because सच में मुझे खुद को भी आइडिया नहीं था कि वर्सोवा में इतना अच्छा खाना रहता है. आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू कॉल दिस लाइक अ मिनी टिबेट एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न फूड लेन बिकॉज इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं ना. एंड इफ यू आस्क माई फेवरेट फ्रॉम द होल वीडियो टुडे, टफ चॉइस. It's going to be ramen noodles from the pan-fried noodles from Darjeeling Lepcha and the Laughing. 49 rupees के लिए waffle मस्त था. So yeah, till then take care. Okay, bye.